Okay, so now we have on the machine the thread that we're going to use to wind this bobbin. This particular one, again, is a stacked thread, so I've placed it on the spool pin. I've come underneath the tensioner, come up to the empty bobbin, and I've taken the thread through a hole from the inside to the outside. You'll see it slipping every once in a while. There's actually a little nub right here on this post, so if I'll twist it until that nub engages, I know that it is going to sit there fine. Push this lever down, you'll see this will latch into the two sides of that bobbin. Give it some power, and now we will begin to wind a bobbin. You'll see it travel from left to right, winding the bobbin. I will pause and cut the thread close to the bobbin, and now I can continue to wind as much thread as I want on this bobbin. If I don't have a big project, I may not want a lot of matched thread. You'll also see that the thread spool gets to bouncing because it's really kind of low on thread, and I don't want it to fly off the spindle here. So if I see it's trying to take flight, I will just kind of slightly hold it so that it can go ahead and spin but not take off. Once you have the amount desired on your bobbin, go ahead and clip your thread, release the bobbin winder, and re-engage the clutch by holding the outer ring, turning the inner ring away from you. You'll now take the bobbin case, place the threaded bobbin with the thread coming off over the top, place it into the bobbin case. Make sure that when you pull the thread that the bobbin turns clockwise. We're going to go into the slit and under the strap. Again, as I tug on the thread, it goes clockwise. Now I'm going to stop and move over to the other part of the machine where the bobbin case is going to live. I'll move the machine so that we can see that area. And it may be a bit hard to see on camera, but where the bobbin is going to sit is underneath the plate here and onto this post. My hand will probably be in the way as I'm trying to place it in, but I'll try to keep out of the way as best I can. That finger is going into the upper position, and you'll see when it goes in, it's snapped into place. So leave a little bit of that thread from the bobbin showing. You can go ahead and partially close the stitch plate on it. I'll now show how to thread the machine. The thread that's there I'm going to cut at the top and take off, and then I will go ahead and show you in the next video threading the machine.